We're a family business. We're actually 50 years old this year. So started in 1974, I'm third generation in the business.
We run 24 hours, Monday to Friday. So we're processing between 3,500 and 4,000 tonnes a day raw material into the plant.
The key products that we produce here are glass first and foremost. Then we have the sports market for golf course construction. Then beyond that, there are construction markets such as washed concrete sand. We also supply a lot of asphalt sand as well into the market. Glass customers are long term. We've one glass customer who we've signed up to for 20 years. So the investment here was to give them that security and also for us to create partnerships with glass customers. The critical aspect for a glass customer is consistency. You can have high and low quality levels, so if it's low, keep it low. If it's high, keep it high. Don't bounce between the two parameters, and that's what we're able to track and deliver with the plant.
High quality silica sand resources are scarce globally, so it's critical when you have a resource like this you absolutely maximise the yield and efficiency of processing it to ensure the most of that product gets into the higher value streams such as glass sands.
Our experience in this type of application dates right back to the early days of the business, and over the last 30 years we've installed a large number of these plants globally.
It's been a collaboration between Chris and myself to deliver a plant that allows us to tailor it to the needs of the customer. There's two guys on a shift each time. The smart tech that we use, we can track performance, we can see the settings, and we can look back and see what changes we've made through the plant and how that's altered the product quality or the yield. So I wouldn't say it's a simple plant, but it runs well.
A key challenge of this plant was the need to move from the commissioning stage of the project into a fully operational phase of 24-hour running over a very short period of time. To achieve this, we supported the customer through a combination of personnel on site, working with the customer's operators, and also then providing remote support using data from our smart tech system. This allowed us to react very quickly to any issues as they arose and minimise any impact on production.
When you dial in and you actually look at the whole plant to see how the guys are operating it, we've been able to see the result through on the pad the next day and then go back and trace and see what we've done. And we've not had that before. Since the plant's been commissioned, we've got communication channels with the designer of the plant, with the guys who installed the plant, and anything that we've struggled with, they've made recommendations for us to change the setting or adjust, and they can then track remotely off-site to see what difference that makes to the plant.
Both CDE and Paterson's are family-owned businesses and share a similar ethos towards sustainability.
Our old setup was very much cobbled together. With the new plant starting from afresh, we're able to recover 80% of the wash water. The other thing with this plant, we have a direct wire to a wind turbine, so we have all the needs for this plant from renewable energy when the wind blows, obviously. So from an environmental point of view, it's a real win for us.
From install for day one, right through commissioning to aftercare, CDE's always been very helpful. Any issues we've had, we've been able to raise, can dial in and try and solve problems, or we send out a team of fitters or commissioning engineers.
The results and the feedback from Paterson's have been very, very positive, with increasing production and also increasing the quality of the output products and maintaining consistency across their outputs.
This has taken us 3 years to get this to fruition, and we've gone from one customer to 5. So they see this, they see the investment, and they understand that they're in comfortable hands with us. That's the beauty of what we've developed here.